Hello guys, it's me Kalam and welcome to the complete React course A to Z, and I'm here to share whatever I learned about React. Let me start with what is React and what are the uses of it. React is a library which is used to help us to create single page applications. But what is single page applications? Previously, I have worked on the static and dynamic web pages like this. When I click on the padding button, browser will send the request to the server and server will send the padding.html page to the browser. This process may take time based on the application. When it is a simple page, it loads fast, but when it is a big page like e-commerce, it will take time. And we may experience reloading issues. But in single page applications, browser loads the entire page in the beginning, and we will not see multiple HTML pages like about.html, contact.html, because entire application works on single index.html page. But how could I write the code of index.html, contact.html, about.html in a single HTML page? In React, we have to forget about the HTML pages because we are going to write HTML code in JavaScript. Sorry, it's not JavaScript, it's JSX, JavaScript extension, and it is much similar to XML. And here we are going to write HTML in JSX, and we are going to render the JSX onto a single HTML page. It may sound a bit confusing right now, but don't worry about anything. I will show you how it really works in this series by developing a simple application with the all React functionalities. But before entering into application, we have to install React. In order to install React, search for Create React App in Google and click on the first GitHub link. Then scroll down and we can see npx install create react app globally in quick view. But what is npx? Npx is a JavaScript manager. Npx works with Node.js. So in order to install and work with React, we need Node.js. So before installing React, let's install Node.js. To install Node.js, search for Node.js in Google and click on the first link. It will redirect you to the Node.js homepage and download the Node.js from the homepage and install it in your machine. Once you are done with Node.js, open your CLI or command prompt and type npm install create react app globally. And Windows users hit enter, but if you are a Mac or Linux users, add sudo before npm and hit enter. For Windows users, installation will start, but for Mac and Linux users, it may ask for the password. Please enter your password and hit enter. Your installation will begin now. This installation process will take time. During this time, if you guys have a curator, go and have a cup of coffee. If you don't have the curator, please go and download one of your favorite curator, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code in these episodes. After completion of the installation process of React and your coder, please go and have a cup of coffee, and I will see you in the next episode. So we are going to start the real application from the next episode, and I will see you at there. Until then, thank you.